All right, it's not just a buzzword. Self-care is freaking important. When we neglect ourselves, our life suffers, our business suffers, our family suffers, our relationship suffers. So self-care is not just a fancy buzzword. It's not just fancy bubble baths. It's like all the many things you do in the day and the week that allow you to be calm and to manage your emotions and to not dysregulate or to come back to yourself when you dysregulate. It's having pathways. It's different for everyone, but I am a champion of self-care and self-love. You have to be your best role model. I do encourage mirror work. If you are struggling and people don't know about it and you're all alone and you're isolated and people think you're amazing and helpful, but you're have an internal dialogue that isn't so nice, let me encourage you to do some mirror work. Look in the mirror and get real with yourself. Just let it out. Just do it. Give it a try. Tell me how it goes.